What's shaking, guys? Trip the Lucky here, and welcome back to another episode of How to Survive with Kovac rules. This is Slow Morning Edition. If you didn't know, where you can get struck by lightning, which I didn't know previously, and my character got struck by lightning a whole bunch. Sorry, excuse the sounds. I'm moving around in my chair. I've slept. I feel perky, full of energy, a little hungry, but I'll be alright. A little hungry? Oh wow, it does nothing for hunger. Screw you, buddy. Ah, cassava, rock the cassava. Yeah. Unfortunately, sleeping made it nighttime, which is super fantastic. Yay. Let's do this. I'm gonna leave the door open. Challenge myself later. Go back to rules. I was talking about sleeping.
Chapter 9. Resting.
It's sleeping.
If you wish to have a chance at defeating
I'm gonna be honest, if I was in like some kind of apocalypse, I could still do what I normally do and just pretty much sleep anywhere.
Eating and sleeping. This
And
chapter
pooping.
is about resting.
Yes, yes it
To
is.
survive day after day, it's imperative to rest.
Don't
You
tell
should
me how
not
to live.
sleep by day and night, but when fatigue is felt.
No, but what's sleep day and night? What's sleep at night? Scarier zombies come out at night.
The more you are tired, the more your stamina decreases.
Yeah.
You
Yeah, be
must
God.
sleep to replenish your vitality. But you cannot sleep anywhere. It's too dangerous.
Not for me, I'm awesome. Ah, mate. Worst big spoon ever.
You must find a
Worst big
safe
spoon.
place where you can rest easy. There are many secure shacks you can sleep in safely. But they will need to be cleaned out before you can rest.
Of scum, as Kovac calls them. Thanks, Senpai. I appreciate you. Do you appreciate me? Alright, I think I've got to get... Do I have to get back? Yes, I do. Oh, I'm going to recharge my flashlight. Flashlight. Yeah. Boom, recharged. They didn't even know I was here. Let's go kill some zombies. Let's go kill some zombies. Let's go kill some... Oh. Okay.
Perfect.
Hey, boss man.
Ah, you look younger.
Aww,
Miracle of sleep.
Senpai. It's almost like sleep is good for you. She said yawning? Sorry.
Sorry,
No.
but in exchange,
Fuck you. Sorry, Senpai. Here's your gun back.
thank you. As promised, here is your feel
First
free.
piece.
You will find
Take your stuff and make one properly. Jerk butt. Look at that gun I made. I made that one. What the gun? Screw you. Shut up, birds. Yeah, I'm talking to you, birds. Jerk butt birds. Ah, and there's one.
Hello.
This is basically the,
Oh my God.
how to get to the
He was
DLC.
attacked. He's been elected. We need help.
I'm not doing that. Not yet. Not yet. Right, let's go get some stuff. Roby and Kovac of all this stuff. Whoa. Empty bottle. Oh, what am I filling it with? Oh my god, I can make Molotov cocktails, I forgot. That makes me so happy. So happy. How do I get up there? What stuff's up there? I forgot how to get up there. I was playing this like an hour ago. What's wrong with me? My butt's going numb. That's what's wrong with me right now. I'm sitting in the same seat. This seat is not very comfortable. It's good if you've got good posture. I don't. Oh, wait. You get up the other way. Do I? No. Oh, you're behind the fuel tank. Which I would have known if I'd done more than take a boy look. Don't even deny it. Boys take terrible looks for things. So do girls. But a boy look is worse. Yes! Ah, I know how to use this. Yes. No, good thing. Combine that. Okay, damn it. I must need like the leather strips or something. Ah, that's right, so I learned to make leather strips. So I have to take an animal down. Cool. Bloody sack up here. It's unhealthy, mate. Having a bloody sack. Oh my god. I really amuse myself now. Oh, that's good. I enjoyed that. I laughed heartily. What? Nope. Don't use that. Do that. Empty bottle. Yummy, yummy. Empty bottle. Water for Tommy. Get out of the... There we go. There's one more piece I believe I'm missing. Am I... Jesus, mate. Learn to clean up after yourself. And whoopa. Oh, the scuba dooba. No. No scuba dooba. Don't die. I can't see the pistol grip. There it is. This menu's kind of hard to see, but I also do like it allows you to see like what's going on elsewhere. Because if you're in the multiplayer mode, it doesn't pause the game when you go into the menu. Yeah, which is great. So you're just blocking half the screen, and the other person's like, "Hey, dude, are you done? I'm trying to fight zombies here. You're making it difficult." What was I supposed to do? My next mission. Alright. What can I do now before I leave the island? So I actually don't need to stick around on this island anymore. I think nothing at the moment. I've got all the supplies I really need. I'll talk to Kovac quickly before I go. Because he's my senpai. And he's the greatest. Have you seen what he wears? I love it. Alright, Kovac, what you got for me, brah?
Once you're armed, you should return back to your friend. You may meet some of my loyal
Cool.
friends, the monkeys. They are all... Hey, it's up to you. No pressure. Please, don't hesitate to come back to see me. I like helping you. Good luck, survivor.
Thanks, senpai. Bye, Kovac. Bye. Bye, Kovac. Bye. Shut up, bird. I'm not talking to you. Oh, I don't like birds, like, to be honest. I don't really know what it is. I'm just not a fan of birds. Oh, not very much, to be honest. Probably because at a school I went to, the oval at the front had a combination of plovers and magpies that would take turns swooping you season to season. That was great. So much fun. So, hopefully I can do this episode split here, and when I pick it back up, I'll start back on the island. Like on the other island, when I go back to Ramon. Snap some supplies quickly before I leave. Nothing else of value I really want. Alright, now we're good, mate. We are good. See you on the island. And we are back on the island. I heard a creepy sound. I didn't like it. Where's my gun? There it is. Equip. If I'm correct, fat zombies. Fat zombies for days. And we all know my little complex about fat. Oh no! Not what I'm meant to do. Mate, go away. You right there? Yeah, you're fine. Yeah. And there was another one near here. There he is. pow, pow, pow. And whomp. I'm getting better at this weapon switching. I'm getting good at this. I really hope that transition was pretty smooth. Or wasn't as awkward as it usually is. With that white fade out I do. If my old editing lecturer could see me, he'd probably just do that thing where he just sort of shakes his head, really disappointed. Splat. What do I need? I need water. Not that bad though. Pow, what pow. 8 bites. Eat 112 bites. Yeah, level up. Oh, I never made a Molotov cocktail. Did I have it in my fabric? I'm gonna throw a Molotov cocktail into a zombie. Okay, calm down. Select the correct item and make a bomb. In fact, make 2 bombs. Whoa! I threw that too close. Hey, what's that? Oh, it's a bit arm. Again, pop. Feck. That was my own fault. I made the mistake. That zombie kicked my butt. That's right. I should do more kill cam moments. Hey bud. Pow. Oh, fucking headshot, mate. Right in your butthole.
Hurry. Henry won't last. We are east of the archipelago.
Mission cancelled. Screw you, hippie. Oh shoot, what, I need food and water. Ah, stop bugging me, things. I can't just have both. Puts my hunger up. I have no food. Especially plant like a big salad leaf. But you can cook that and it makes food. What do you want? Did you give me the bag? I do need the bag. I'm running out of inventory space.
Big bag for Coco to get great treasure. Big bag with animal hide.
Find animal skin and craft a bag for Coco. Or I could find it for me. Yeah, that's gonna be the name of this one. I need a bag. Smooth transitions. Reloading. Reloading. Headshot. I've got to learn to look at where I am and not just start swinging wildly. Sorry, I went a bit quiet there. I was concentrating on killing the zombies. But, I'm actually really keen to have, yeah, so after this episode, hopefully it should be, a new setup. And I'll have, you know, my actual microphone and not use my phone headset. Which, I mean, I have to admit, for a free headset that came with my phone, it's doing pretty alright. Oh, I don't know where to find an animal. You know what, I'm just gonna move on to the next island. Okay. Woo! Geo-Templar. May you rest in peace. Deus Vult. Deus Vult? Deus Vult. So I read it as Deus Vult, but I don't know if that's how you say it. Is that the Templar thing? Shut up, bud. No one likes you. Stupid bud. Yeah, no. Oh, that's right. Alright. I'm gonna go get the thing quickly and then end the episode there. No, I can't eat any more fruit because he'll get the runs. Even as hilarious as that would be. Oh, I leveled up. And aim time is now slow. Wiki wow. And it also opens up the furthest tree away to do stuff. Where is he? gotta go all the way down and loop around. I might even be able to refill my water bottles there. Oh yeah, zombies. Totally forgot they were a thing here. Boom, mate. Just gonna chop down some trees. Pop. But I actually really like this game. Like I like the humor that comes as part of it. You know, just the silliness that you can really get away with in this game. Oh, that's why it's not working. Chop. Chop. Chop, chop, dig, dig. Yes, that's what I needed. Go down. Jesus. Getting real over these fat zombies. I'm not being racist, but I hate fat zombies. They either explode at you, or just generally dickheads. You're a bunch of dickheads. Yes! That's refilled. Now I have a crap ton of water. Oh, and I had a cassava plant. Eat that. What? Tastes like shit, but it's nutritious. Is it poo? It's poo, isn't it? That's disgusting. Stop eating poo. I forgot I had the gun equipped. Oh, I'm just covered in splatter. Oh, buggery. I keep forgetting that like, I'm not moving. I'm stuck in the Resident Evil headspace of this game. Of zombie games. Tends to be why I melee shoot or melee play. Ah, you're gonna jump and attack me, aren't you? Yeah.
Relax, just... What? Yeah. Wait. Bring me some...
Okay, go find an animal to kill. You're apparently a cripple. Can I kill a monkey? No, I like monkeys. Monkeys are great. Man, you were like seconds away from turning into a zombie. Like everyone knows. You know it. Wow, that's a quick reload. That makes me so happy. So happy. Should actually light that fire and cook the white plant, because I think I can eat that. And karate chop. Shreddy up. Jesus, what's part of the arm trying to keep away from me? Oh, get back here, mate. Yeah. Run back with this, because I will get hunted down. Because this runs by the rules of 7 days to die. Which is, you're gonna die.
Well... Hey. Be careful.
How do I make a bag out of animal skin? How do I do that? Because having a bag would be great. Video? Oh. Yeah, fuck you, monkey. My bag. You don't get no bag. You are concerning, dude. You are very concerning. Alright, guys. I'm going to leave the episode there, right? I'll go to the next save point, actually, because that's kind of what I need to do. Because I can't actually quit right now. Oh, God, he's just slurping that shit down. if you've survived like a week on the island, you should have been fine facing off a few handfuls of zombies. I just skipped through. Oh, no, no. Can you not? Fucking no. No, I forgot you were a thing. Molotov, 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 Molotov. Oh my freaking god. Oh my god, that was close. Do I not have any more Molotovs? No, I wasted them. I wasted them. Did I waste them? I wasted them. Okay, okay, he's not so bad. I'm just gonna have to just pepper him with bullets. Oh, shoot. I'm running low on everything. What did I make? Oh, yes. But also kind of useless. Puts me just above with a few things. Shoot, I have no food. Jeez, I couldn't see him. Oh, you are really ugly, dude. Oh, I wish I hadn't used up all my Molotovs. You're very big. I don't have much time left for the recording just suddenly cuts out. Whoa. Olé. I got him. Yeah, I got him. Holy crap. Sorry, I keep going quiet, but this is an intense battle because I don't dodge him at like the last second because I think he can turn slightly. Come on. Jesus. You better have some stuff. Fuck you, zombies. Alright. I don't even know if it's saving at any point. Give you this thing. Save. Save. And repaired. Alright guys, I'm going to end the episode here. I'm Drifter Lucky, and thanks so much for watching. Stay safe.